are going to really need you to cheer these guys on. I've got faith in them, but you need to go. All right, please make a little bit of noise from Adam over here on the right side. Yeah. Going head to head with a guy who claims he hasn't done an install in 30 years. Yeah, okay. Put your hands together for Perry. Go, Perry. You better, Perry. You guys have given the run through. Okay, our timers are cleared. All right, take your time on it.
Wait a minute, $100 I can beat you.
$100 on the line.
That's my business partner.
It is.
It's Vegas. Does anybody else want to get on the back? We can. All right. $100 on the line. $100 on the line. Okay, guys. Steady, set, go. All right. The first thing you see them doing here is they're doing those flip and click brackets. Okay, that's all you got to do. Just take those around, flip them over here. Hey, do yourself a favor at the end of our demonstration. Go to the left side of our booth, and you can see all the different wall applications that this could go to. Okay, so this is step one. Relatively simple, right? Now, usually, if you have a traditional fin system, you have two people. All right, Adam's getting set up over here. Little out on the bottom. Get it pushed over the bottom. Make sure we're solid in there. Okay, he's got this in. Now, typically, right, you'd have somebody on the outside of this window holding it in place. Because of this head stabilizer and those brackets, okay, no need, okay? There's getting his in as well, too. And again, out here, no need for anybody else. Okay, he hasn't installed one of these in 30 years. What did he do? He grabbed that torpedo level as quickly as humanly possible. Make sure he's all set to go. Okay, so now they're getting that in there. He's looking up, getting his screws ready to go. Making sure we're all square and plumb too. So now remember, you'd have somebody else just kind of hanging out, two people, trying to communicate through the wall. How are we going to do this? Why are you doing this? I got the shims here, trying to screws in. No. Now also you see with these, this particular window, it takes about a dozen screws. Usually traditional fin method, 20 to 30 at least, and all those are going through the fin. Another important part here too, look how comfortable and easy and confident you can be. You're doing all this work from the inside of the home. We got some work on the exterior. The vast majority happens on the interior of the home. I don't buy that. Haven't done one in 30 years, Barry. You're flying through this thing, okay? Adam's going over here as well. Adam has magically transported from the exterior, the interior of the home to the exterior. Now you're ripping it out here. I got an angry man coming after this. Hey, yes, you have dominated. You have shown that you are the boss of them. Absolutely. So he's taking off these covers, okay? And now he's deploying this durable, flashing fin. You got it. It's the first time in the last 2 days we've actually had people cheering at somebody from the crowd coming up to do this. He's on his heading. We gotta redo that. Time is done. You're doing fine. No, keep going. He's probably going to get disqualified anyways, Perry, all right? He's had a crowd churn against him. We haven't had that happen ever. Okay? Top to bottom. Look how smooth this is. Right to left, on the header. Very nice. Perry taking his time, doing it right. Tears it down with his gaff tape. Stop that timer. Round of applause. 2 minutes, 49 seconds. No, wait. Come on, you bet $100. Come take a look at this tape, Travel. See that? Okay. That's not